In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. May the words of my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my Redeemer. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Good morning, everyone. Appreciate you checking in with me this morning. Hope you're all doing well. This actually, as you see by my thumbnail, it's been a while. This is actually my first in-person, face-to-face video I've done. If you check out my channel, you'll see that it's been 15 years. And over that time period, I've posted 4 videos and received 1 subscriber. Yes, 1. And, you know, that's okay. I got quite a number of views over that time period. And I think my goal right now is to resurrect this channel. It's been sitting idle for a long time. Only recently, in the past 3 weeks or so, have I done a lot of research, and thanks to people like Rob the Mariner and Kevin Colby, who were great inspirations for me to get going again on YouTube and start posting some life experience. They've really been helpful, and my thanks out to them. Shout out to them. What I would like to do, again, is try to pass on some experience that I've had in my life and help people with that experience. I've got many different experiences that I think would apply to a lot of things today, especially myself coming from a senior perspective. There's just projects around the house that I do. There's, like I said, life experiences from when I was young. I have to throw humor in there because, humor's a big part of life, and sometimes that's what gets us through. Some of the subjects I'd like to approach, and, I really need your feedback. This channel, I want it to be about you and what you're looking for, but I need to let you know what some of my experiences have been. I have experience in some prepping, with foods and power and things of that nature. Solar, in particular. I worked on a solar project in my backyard last summer, and I think I learned a lot from that. Some tips and some shortcuts, and it all worked out really well. Hope I never have to use it. I have many stories going back to when I was a kid. A trip that I took on a bicycle when I was 19, covering most of the East Coast. And growing up, do-it-yourself projects. I've owned several homes in my lifetime, and most of them were older homes. And there was a lot of fixing up to do. So I have learned from that. It's given me great skills and experience, but I'll share some of those also. eBay. I do sell a few things on eBay. I've learned a few things on there, tricks and tips that, if you were getting involved with that, I'd like to help you with that. So basically, this channel is about help. And like I said, it's about you and your comments. What I'd like to do is post this video as my first video, and one of my goals is double my subscribers from 1 to 2. If I can do that, I'd be absolutely thrilled. That would be great. And over the next week or so, I'll read comments after I post this, and based on your comments, it may send me in one direction or another as far as what I should focus on. And again, I'll just say that I want to thank you for your time here today. I'm not going to make this a long video. But it's all about being real, I think, now on YouTube. I just want to give a heart-to-heart talk when I talk, and help you out as much as I can, and hopefully form a great community, and post on a fairly regular basis. But let's wait a week or so, see what kind of comments I get, and maybe you can steer me in the right direction as far as what's going to be interesting out there. So again, thanks for coming by and for stopping in and checking me out. And let's work on my channel together. Maybe we can get some great things going. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day, and hope to see you again in the near future, and look forward to that. Bye for now.